Good morning, everybody. A lot of times I get questions on where do you start when you're learning a new software program like VCarve Pro or Aspire. So today I'm going to show you a quick hack, something really cool that I use to start learning. On archive.org, which is a really cool website, they have a book called A Handbook of Ornament. Now I'm going to link this in the description below so you do have it and can use it when you're drawing and starting to learn in Aspire. And over the next few weeks, we're going to use this book as I show you some of the things that I did to really learn and get into using Aspire. So this book's very cool. As you toggle through the pages, it'll literally open up each page and show you all about the book. And we're going to scroll ahead to page 22. And why I like page 22 so much is because it starts into these geometrical elements. And you'll notice up here in the upper left-hand side of the page here, they have these squares. And I like to use those as my grid for scaling. And I made it easy. It was just an inch by inch square. And by using that as an inch by inch scale, I could come in and start drawing all these different patterns. And that is where I would begin when I'm starting with Aspire. Now, as I get further down, we're going to skip ahead to a little bit deeper into the book, page 38. And we're going to look at these really cool motifs, or I like to call them panels, really. And what this allows me to do is start looking at this, and you'll notice that this is just arcs and lines, And I'm able to make this a nice repeating pattern if I was making a molding piece or something maybe on the front of a fireplace mantle or a decorative drawer front. So it's a really cool book to be able to kind of get your ideas flowing. And again, using that same scale makes it really nice and easy to do. Now, as you toggle through this, and I would recommend you spend the time to do that, you're going to come on to page 152. Now, this is a really cool page here that starts to show off a little bit more what you can do. Now, Vectric has built into their program a spiral gadget. This is where I'm going to use that spiral gadget to make the waves, to start building these really nice, moldings that I can, curve around pieces or even bend around corners. So really cool book. Let's toggle a few more pages down here, and we're going to see some cool, egg and dart molding, modified egg and dart, some really cool weave patterns. This is one I get asked to do often, which is a reeded pillar with these ribbons wrapped around it. It's a really cool piece, and one that we're going to do as we learn the next few weeks. We'll spend some time these weeks kind of drawing through everything, making sure that you're comfortable and learning all about how to use this book to draw. I'm really excited to do this with you guys. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Get this book saved on your computer, bookmark it, download it, whatever you want to do, because over the next few weeks, we're going to spend our Tuesdays drawing out of this book so we can learn a little bit more about how to use it to expand our drawing knowledge and also create some beautiful pieces that we can use in our projects. Thank you guys so much. Be nice to each other. Have a great day. See you guys in the next one. It's going to take a little bit of editing, but that's not too bad.